Hey everyone, and welcome to this licensing update for March 2023. It's proven to be a quiet month again. A couple of updates on the product terms, nothing other than that to discuss with you. So this will be a very short video. Let's dive into it straight away. And the first item is also the most important item, the Microsoft Intune update. So they have updated the availability table to show Intune Suite and Intune Plan 2, as well as added the license prerequisites table for both of these offers, which you can see right here. These products have been added as opposed to a previous month. And the licensing prerequisites are mentioned as well. You need a Microsoft Business Premium E3, E5, F1 or F3 license, or Enterprise Mobility and Security E3 or E5, or a Microsoft Intune license, which is the base license for this suite. Now, what has exactly changed? Microsoft has released this entire blog post on March 1st. It's not new news. They already hinted that this was going to happen. And the Microsoft Intune Suite fuels cyber safety and IT efficiency. So today they have announced that they're launching the Microsoft Intune Suite, which unifies mission-critical advanced endpoint management and security solutions into a single bundle. The suite will simplify customers' endpoint management experience, improve their security posture, and keep people at the center with exceptional user experiences. They share 3 reasons why the new Intune Suite will matter. It has even better security by reducing attack vectors. It's simplifying through consolidation and automation of IT, and it shows savings through lower management overhead and reduced support cost, which is a lot of marketing mumbo jumbo. But what exactly is it? The Microsoft Intune Suite covers a couple of different products. So they announced these plans already in Microsoft Ignite 2022 to launch the Intune Suite this month with an initial set of advanced solutions like remote help. It is a tool that will assist help desk, especially important as workers are now working away from the office more often. Remote help is already available for Windows users and will also come to Android and Mac endpoints in future releases. Endpoint privilege management has been added in preview this month and generally available next month. It will enable the controlled elevation of Windows standard users so security controls don't get in the way of productivity. It also offers advanced endpoint analytics features, data-driven insights that help IT administrators understand, anticipate, and improve the user experience. There's Microsoft Tunnel for mobile app management, a micro VPN that connects corporate resources from personal iOS and iPad OS and Android devices, so employees can have access to company resources from their personal mobile devices. And the Intune Suite improves the management of specialty devices to give employees the flexibility to choose the device they need to get the job done. Following the launch on March 1st, another capability that will be added to the Intune Suite is advanced app management, offering an enterprise app catalog and controls for easy app discovery, deployment, and automatic updating. Then they stated why now, to improve security and reduce attack vectors, to simplify endpoint management for your devices, and to enable cost savings. They will go into this more in Microsoft Secure. The Intune Suite will represent shift change in the endpoint security, simplification, and savings. And they give you all these additional videos and websites you can visit if you want to learn more. So that's basically what they changed. It's reflected in the product terms already, so you can buy the Intune Suite right now. It's an add-on on top of Microsoft Intune, so you need one of the plans that contain Intune in order to be able to buy this suite of additional features. Then for Microsoft 365, they removed the content for education insights as the offer has been depreciated. The availability table for 2 new offers, forensic evidence for insider risk management, a new compliance feature, and Microsoft Defender vulnerability management add-on. If we look here you can see that the Education Insight has been removed and those two products have been added. And in the license prerequisites table, you can see forensic evidence for insider risk management has been added, and what you would need to get this feature in the Microsoft Compliance Suite or the Purview Suite, Microsoft 365 E5 or Microsoft 365 E5 Compliance, or a Microsoft 365 E5 Insider Risk Management. So this is a new add-on on top of. And you see Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management add-on. You would need an E5 license, an F5 license, F5 security license, or an F5 security compliance license, or any of the Defender Endpoint Plan 2, or Defender for Endpoint for Service, or Windows 10 or 11 Enterprise E5, which contains Defender for Endpoint Plan 2. Basically, in order to run Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management, you would initially need a plan that contains a Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Plan 2 license. And in Microsoft Dynamics 365 services, they have updated all references of Microsoft Relationship Sales Solution Plus to Relationship Sales to align with the name change. Can confirm that they did this everywhere on the page. And for privacy and security terms, they updated the Azure Core Services table to include some new products like Azure Form Recognizer, Immersive Reader, Metrics Advisor, and Azure Red Hat OpenShift, which you can see here. That's basically it for this month. Not a lot to cover. If you have any items that I forgot or failed to mention, do let me know. I'm always open to learn myself. So hopefully a lot more next time around. And thanks again for watching. Bye.